Hello everyone and welcome to Chapter 2 Snake Charmer Story Module 2A Snakes. In this module, we will be learning snakes and its types, poisonous or venomous, what to say about snakes, difference between venomous and non-venomous snake, and fangs. So let's start with this module. Snakes. When I call this name, you all start imagining about the slimy and slithery creature which is found commonly around us. Snakes, also called serpent, are the species of reptiles distinguished by their limbless condition. Limbless means without limb. Limb are our hands, legs, etc. And greatly elongated body and tail. So it has a very long body with tail. Of the 270 snake species found in India, there are 60 species of snakes that are venomous. Venomous snakes are species of the suborder serpent that are capable of producing venom, which they use for killing prey. So, they don't have limbs. So, they need venom to kill their prey in order to feed themselves. For defense, if somebody tries to attack these snakes, this poison or venom is used for defending against their enemies to assist with digestion of their prey. This venom also helps the snake to digest their food, whatever they have swallowed. The venom is typically delivered by injection using hollow or grooved fangs, although some venomous snakes lack well-developed fangs. Now, before understanding the difference between venomous and non-venomous snakes, let's understand why we are calling the snake venomous and not poisonous. Both poisonous and venomous animals are toxic. The venomous animals are those which can deliver or inject the toxin or venom directly into the body of other animals, while the poisonous animals are those which are toxic only if they are eaten or touched. In other words, we can understand as if animal bites you and you die, then the animal is venomous. And if you bite the animal and you die, then it is poisonous. Toxins are chemicals which are harmful to the body. Poison or venom are toxins which are differentiated on the basis of their delivery method. वो किस तरीके से आपके बॉडी पे रीच कर रहा है, that is the thing different in both of them. If the toxin is injected, then it is called venom, and if eaten or absorbed by the skin, then it is poison. So let's start with venomous snake. They are brightly colored. Whatever color is on their skin is very bright and shiny. They have fangs like this, which are large, through which they insert the venom in its prey. Neck is not so broad, so head is triangular. The bite marks appears like two punctures because of these fangs. Pupil is elongated. Now, coming to this diagram, elongated or elliptical. The eyes of the venomous snake is little bit stretched. By elliptical, we mean stretched eyes. Like us human beings, we have a round pupil, but here you can see the venomous snake has elongated or elliptical pupil. It also has heat sensing pit, which enables the snake to hunt during nighttime. It has a pointy snout, that means the nose area is little bit extended, which helps the venomous snake to smell better. The last thing is the scales present at its tail. The scales are single lined scales. They are not at all over single line but overlapping, and that is a feature of a venomous snake. Examples of the venomous snake is a Russell viper and Indian cobra. All venomous snakes have fangs. But what are fangs? Fangs are sharp, long, hollow, or grooved teeth that are connected to small sacs in the snake's head behind its eyes. These sacs produce a poisonous liquid called venom. When a snake bites, the venom is released and starts to work immediately to kill or paralyze the prey. Fangs are the poisonous teeth of the snakes. Secondly, talking about non-venomous snakes, they are usually not brightly colored. They have a dull finish over their skin. They have uniform and equal teeth. The neck is broad, so head appears elongated from the body itself. The bite marks are not organized. Pupil is round. Coming to this diagram, you can see the pupil of this snake, that is non-venomous snake, is round, whereas the snout is also not pointed. It is round. Towards the end, the scales are arranged one over the other. It makes two layers of scales towards the end of the tail. Examples of non-poisonous snakes are rat snakes, which looks like the cobra, but it is not at all poisonous and not at all venomous. Second one is the python, which loves to live in the trees but has a very heavy body, but it is also a non-poisonous snake. Coming towards the end of this module, we have seen different kind of snakes, venomous and non-venomous. Now identify whether this snake shown in the picture is venomous or non-venomous. Yes, you are right. This is a non-venomous snake. Now let's see some of the features. Yes, the snake's neck is broad and the head is not so triangular. It's just elongated from the body. So yes, this shape suggests it is a non-venomous snake. You can see the eyes also. It is round, and so it is a feature of non-venomous snake. The color also you can see is a dull green color. All these features are symptoms of non-venomous snake. Here are some pictures. Try to identify these snakes. These species together are known as Big Four and are responsible for majority of snake bite incidents in India. This we will be continuing in our next class. Here is another task for you. Look at the bite mark and identify the type of snakes that can make it. Why there is this difference? What treatment should be given to a person for snake bite? This is a task. Give me the answer in the class. With so many questions yet to answer and some of the answers that you got, we come to an end to this module. Thank you. Thank you for learning. Presented by Mrinalini Tripta.